Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a bedroom clean with me. I am in my master bedroom, and if you guys don't know, like a lot of you guys probably don't, my boyfriend and I just moved into our very first house and we're so excited. We have not bought in this house. We are currently renting, but it's our first rental as adults, and it just feels great. Out of an apartment into a home, like that feels great. So congratulations if you just rented your first house. There's so much pressure on buying right now, like with everyone buying a home, but work at your own pace, boo, stay in your lane, and there's no keeping up with the Joneses over here. So yeah, but anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick clean with me while the kids are gone and while he is my boyfriend actually took the kids to the store for a little bit, so I'm gonna see how much I can get done while no one is home but me. So and if you guys notice, I do have braces. I do want to post my journey on braces here soon, so if you guys are interested in that, give this video a big thumbs up. So I just bought some Space Saver bags. Hopefully they're as amazing as they look, because it's time to put that winter clothing away and to really get organized. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Killing me,